Konnichiwa, minasan. Mata yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Isshu ni Nihongo benkyou shimashou. Ganbarimashou. Hello guys. Let's do our best to study Japanese language. Dewa, hajimemashou. Okay, then let's start. Letter introduction. Ma. This is how you write ma in hiragana. Ma. Next. Letter introduction. Mi. This is how you write mi in hiragana. Next. Listen, choose the matching letter ma. This is ma in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Letter introduction mu. This is how you write mu in hiragana. Mu. Next. Letter introduction me. This is how you write me in hiragana. Me. Next. Listen, choose the matching letter mi. This is mi in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Listen, choose the matching letter mu. This is mu in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Look at the transcription and choose the matching letter me. This is me in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Match the kana with the corresponding romaji. This is mi in hiragana. And this is mi in romaji. This is mu in hiragana. This is mu in romaji. This is me in hiragana. This is me in romaji. This is ma in hiragana. This is ma in romaji. Great job. Next. Letter introduction mo. This is how you write mo in hiragana. Mo. Next. Letter introduction ya. This is how you write ya in hiragana. Ya. Next. Listen, choose the matching letter me. This is me in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Listen, choose the matching letter mo. This is mo in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Letter introduction you. This is how you write you in hiragana. You. You. Next. Letter introduction yo. This is how you write yo in hiragana. Yo. Next. Listen, choose the matching letter ya. This is ya in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Listen, choosing the matching letter you. This is you in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Listen, choose the matching letter yo. This is yo in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Look at the transcription. Choose the matching letter mu. This is mu in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Match the kana with the corresponding romaji. Ma. Ma in hiragana. Ma in romaji. Mi in hiragana. This is mi in romaji. Me in hiragana. Me in romaji. This is mu in hiragana. This is mu in romaji. Great job. Next. Match the kana with the corresponding romaji. Ya in hiragana. Ya in romaji. Me in hiragana. Me in romaji. Mi in hiragana. Mi in romaji. You in hiragana. You in romaji. Great job. Next. You have completed the lesson. Minasan, arigato. Thank you guys. Kite korete. Honto arigato. Thank you for coming. Mata issue ni Nihongo benkyou shimashou. Let's study together next time. Okay, Deo. Mata ne. Bye-bye.